Arc8 is a mobile game where you play a variety of games to compete for leaderboard rankings that reward cryptocurrency, which you can use to get into higher rewarding leagues. Hello and welcome back to Metaverse Gaming. Today I'm going to be giving you a video to help you get started on Arc8, going over 8 talking points, including if Arc8 is fun, where to play Arc8, what the in-game economy is like, what Arc8's cryptocurrency/token is and what blockchain it uses, what to buy with crypto in Arc8, how to make actual money off of Arc8, if Arc8 is play to earn or pay to win, and another hypothetical question we'll get to at the end. These talking points will help you know whether Arc8 is worth spending time and money on or not. First of all, let's talk about how fun Arc8 is. To me, this game is extremely fun. You get to play a lot of different games and genres all in one app. This means that any games you don't like in Arc8, you can just choose a different one. These games are mostly competitive, however some can be casual like the few card games. Second of all, I'm going to go over where you can get and play Arc8. You currently can only play Arc8 on a cell phone with either Android or iOS installed. I like this since it means you can play any of these games on the go. This is important for Arc8 since it means you have to be constantly playing the games to get better and earn prizes in the form of cryptocurrency. Thirdly, let me tell you about the economy you could find in Arc8. In Arc8, the economy is built off of 2 separate coins. These 2 coins include credits and GME, GMME. GME is a cryptocurrency that you can sell on popular coin trading websites. Credits are used inside the game to get into low reward competitive matches. Fourth of all, you will learn about the token/cryptocurrency in Arc8 and the blockchain that token runs on. The token for Arc8 is called GME, which I mentioned earlier, and is the higher class currency for Arc8. The reason that GME is the higher class token is because it can only be won in tournaments, the high payment section of the competitive tab, or you have to buy it. You can also sell GME, which I mentioned earlier. GME goes for about 33 cents at the time of recording. GME runs on an ERC-20 Ethereum blockchain. Fifth, let's discuss what to purchase in Arc8 with your cryptocurrency. In Arc8, you can only purchase one thing. That thing is GME. GME lets you buy your way into high reward competitions on the competitive tab within games. Sixth, let me tell you how to make actual money off of Arc8. The way you can make money off of Arc8 the most effectively is by playing in tournaments to earn GME. GME is rewarded based off of leaderboard rankings. Based off of a 100 GME prize pool, these rank placements and rewards include: first place, 12.25 GME. Second place, 7.60 GME. Third place, 4.50 GME. Fourth place, 3.20 GME. Fifth place, 2.75 GME. Sixth place, 2.20 GME. Seventh place, 1.80 GME. Eighth place, 1.30 GME. Ninth place, 1.10 GME. 10th place, 0.80 GME. 11th through 50th, 0.5 GME. 51st through 100th, 0.25 GME. 101st to 150th, 0.15 GME. 151st to 250th, 0.10 GME. And finally, 251st through 500th, 0.05 GME. Seventh of all, I'll go over if Arc8 is play to earn or pay to win. In my opinion, I find Arc8 to be completely play to earn. The only thing you can buy has no competitive advantage. The only thing spending money, however, does is let you get more practice, which you can get from daily rewards though anyways. However, spending money does let you make more money if you win the games, which I guess would let you win a better bank balance, but that's about it. And finally, the hypothetical question I mentioned earlier. In this instance, the hypothetical question is, if you had $1 million, would it be worth it to spend all of it back into Arc8? And in my opinion, it would probably be worth it, but not for the obvious reason of winning more games. I would find spending high amounts of money on this game useful because GME will be rising in value due to the popularity of Arc8. This means you may be able to make high amounts of money as the value of GME steadily rises. And I guess that concludes this video on Arc8. Thank you all for watching this video. I honestly really liked making this video, as Arc8 was probably the most fun game I've played so far on my channel. I mean, there's just so many different genres, and I'm pretty good at one of the main games, and so just playing that over and over, Marble Dash by the way, just keeps giving me more and more cryptocurrency, and it's cool to see that little cryptocurrency number go up. Anyway, that's all from me this week. See you guys next week with another Metaverse Gaming video. This was Metaverse Gaming, signing off.